Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics, and in this video I am going to show you how can you cash out on Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Coinbase application into your phone, and after opening the application this homepage will be loaded. Now in order to cash out, just simply click into this trade button and then you will get so many options into here. Now you just simply have to click into this sell button, and after clicking there all of the cryptocurrency that you have will appear. Now I don't have any cryptocurrency, so I cannot show any further process, but you just simply have to select the cryptocurrency that you have and the amount of the cryptocurrency that you want to cash out. And after selecting the amount, just simply click to sell button that appears after doing that and choose your linked bank accounts into payout method. And after providing your authentic linked bank account, you can easily cash out into there. By following these very easy steps, you can easily cash out your money from Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.